Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unbagging from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. Got a couple different bundles in here, and then a piece of paper that tells you all the items, how much they cost, in case you want to keep them, you'll know how much you will be charged for. So this one already kind of came unraveled, so we're going to go through that first. Ooh, some workout pants by Sheila Rose, and they have pockets on the side, which I love. And these look like they might be capris, which is awesome. Very excited for those. And I will insert pictures at the end, so hopefully you can see them better. Then we have a top, cute little tank top by Zenana, I guess is how you say it. That's very cute and flowy. Nice little workout outfit. Then I have a black shirt with cherries all over it. Also by Sheila Rose. Short sleeves. Kind of has like a little swoop to it. And it looks like I got earrings and a necklace this time. Typically you only get one or the other, but here's the earrings. They're very long. These are pretty cool. And then the necklace looks a bit tangled. Let me see if I can get that untangled at a decent amount of time here. Let's see. Oh, and I guess maybe the earrings match it too, because I'm seeing that same little design there. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Very interesting piece, that's for sure. Very cool. I like the chain a lot too. And then the other bundle, probably have a dress. Typically get a dress. Ooh, here's another pair of pants. These ones also have pockets, and then a purple stripe going all the way down. And they're tapered. They have a little cuff there. Those are cute. And then a dress. Long sleeve, just a plain dress, and does it have pockets? It does have pockets. Very cool. A lot of the dresses do have pockets, and sometimes I don't notice it until I go to take pictures. Very cute. So I will go ahead and put the pictures now and then insert the prices for all these items. If you're interested in joining, I will put all their information in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.